Hello, I'm Rebecca of Pocketful of Posies. Today's project is another installment of handmade holiday gifts. I'm really excited to share these little gifts with you. They're easy, they're simple, and they make really nice handmade gifts to give to your friends and family. All of these gifts can be made with scraps of fabric. You don't need a lot of yardage, so they're really good, they're really economical, and putting your own work into something is a really nice gesture, especially around these holiday times. So without further ado, let's get into it. Here we go. Let's begin our quick and easy DIY handmade holiday projects with a super simple drawer sachet. Cut a rectangle that's 6.5 inches by 4 inches out of your chosen fabric. Pick a fabric that is breathable. Cotton or linen work the best. Fold over a narrow hem on both short ends. Sew those hems on each end. I also zigzagged the long edges to neaten them up. After ironing, fold the rectangle in half, right sides together, and sew the side seams. Turn right side out and fill partway full with rice. Maybe don't spill the rice like I did. You could also make the rectangle longer and wider and make warm compresses you can heat in a microwave. You would just sew the open end after filling with rice or beans and your essential oils of choice. I like to add dried flowers or herbs to my sachets. The scent is totally up to you. Add a few drops of essential oils to finish up, and then close with a pretty ribbon. That way it can be reopened and more essential oils can be added later down the road to freshen it up. The next handmade gift is a felt ornament. You could also use fabric, but you would need to finish the raw edges or sew it right sides together and turn out. I just looked up a free tree shape to use as my template. Cut 2. Decoration is up to you. You could embroider on it like I did. I just embroidered a simple initial using a stem stitch. You could add some little other pieces of felt to make ornaments. Really, anything you want. This is a fun project for kids too. You could use glue instead of sewing the pieces together and glue on little ornaments out of different colored felt as well. It would be a really fun project for the little ones. Sew around the shape with a running stitch, leaving an opening at the bottom to fill. Secure a ribbon or embroidery thread hanger at the top. I filled mine with cabbage or small pieces of scrap fabric. Polyfill would work just as well. After filling, sew the bottom shut with a running stitch. On to a fabric star-shaped ornament. Again, I printed a shape I found online as my template. Sew both sides to each other, right sides together, leaving an opening to turn and stuff. I had plenty of supervision for this project. Fill it with fabric scraps and then sew the opening closed, if you can, between kitty nuzzles. I forgot to add the hanger before I sewed it up, so I added one. I just sewed it on by hand to the top, and I added a cute bow to top it off. Either of these ornaments would be really good pincushions, or you could also make them sachets. They'd be sewn up, so you wouldn't be able to add more essential oils. Or you could make little microwavable hand warmers with these shapes. Really, anything you want. To see other handmade holiday gift ideas, check out the video links in the description or my handmade gift playlist. Thank you so much for watching. I really appreciate you spending your time with me. Let me know down in the comments if you plan on making any handmade holiday gifts. I'm very excited to hear what they are. If you enjoyed this video, give it a like, subscribe if you haven't, and if you'd like to be notified whenever I upload, you can hit that little bell icon. To support the channel further, I have a Ko-fi account, and that is linked down below. Make sure to check out the links in the description for my other videos about handmade gifts, and I will see you on our next sewing adventure. Bye!